Yeah, consolidation again is putting together the impeachment complaints into one impeachment complaint. Again, I'm not
That's
sure.
wrong. Yeah, you're not
Okay.
sure. That's
Okay.
why. And you're telling the
No,
Supreme
I'm
Court
not
that
sure
they
what
are
your
wrong.
point is.
Di ba?
Okay.
I'm not sure
I
what
guess
your
we're
point
going
is.
on a.
Okay,
I think
sige,
we're
sige.
also going
Let's,
back and forth now.
Yeah, we're
This
going in
process
circles.
yeah,
okay, okay.
we're going
No,
out
yung
of topic on this one.
moderator.
So, yeah, it's all good, attorney. So, we'll give you the chance for this one, Mr. Tan. You have 5 minutes and go.
O sige, so anyway, yung siguro magandang pag-usapan natin ngayon is, yun na nga, kailan ba na, I don't know if this is an issue with you, attorney, or not, pero it might be, kasi I've heard arguments nga na sinasabi nila na dapat ang initiated is impeachment proceedings initiated happens when a complaint is filed and referred. And the other side is saying, the Supreme Court is now changing that very definition and now saying filed na lang, hindi na kailangan daw i-refer.